Hi guys, my name is Alaire and welcome to Beautiful Unboxing! Anyway, so pasensya na wala si sis today kasi may ka-date siya. So nagkakilala kasi kami ni sis dahil magkaklase kami ni sis nung college. So kaibigan ko si X actually. So for more stories about that, tanong nyo na lang si sis. Marami kaming games na nilalaro ni sis. Actually, yung kasama namin yung friends namin, naglaro kami ng Mobile Legends, Arena of Valor, Heroes Evolved, Identity, and actually maraming games. Nagdarang na rin kami together, and so on. Yung foundation ng friendship namin is based on games talaga. So anyway, without further ado, tara, mag-unbox na tayo. Let's go! This is the AOC Aegon 32 inches curved gaming monitor, model number AG322QC432. So this has a wide viewing angle, meaning very detailed, very colorful, sobrang ganda ng screen, kitang-kita mo everything whenever you look at the monitor. So meron siya 144Hz refresh rate. It also has a resolution of 2560 by 1440, and this version has Radeon FreeSync 2. So tara, let's go, let's unbox this. So this is the driver, power adapter, and this is the display port. This is the USB 3.0, the HDMI, and this is the power cord, and this is the monitor control panel, and this is the stand, and this is the neck of the LCD. So guys, ito na yung monitor. Okay. Tada! Assemble na natin! What? Bye guys.